Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul here and Philip.
Hello there, everyone.
Today we are reacting to Australia's Loverboy. I didn't want to say legend again because I said legend last times, but I don't know why Loverboy came to mind.
Yeah,
but he is
but
quite
he's
a
still
charm.
legend.
He still is a legend, but I didn't want to repeat legend like every single video. But I do think he is a Loverboy from what I've seen. Even though he's married, but he's the crush of Australia, I would say. Anyways, this is a coffee request by Debbie, and this is her comment. Tried this one for some soul by John Farnham. Georgia on my mind. That's the name of the song. Is it? No, wait. I think I got the wrong video.
Who's loving you?
Yeah, I skipped the first video. There's actually two requests in one, so we're gonna do the second one because the link was the last thing I saw and I chose this one. Anyways, a second soulful one is John with Aussie Boy band Human Nature at his 50th birthday concert. There's comedy with this one too. His range, power, and down-to-earth performance are just so amazing. I just want as many people as possible to get a chance to experience him. Okay, so let's hope that this will reach as many people as possible. And guys, if you want to request a video of your own, then yeah, use the link that is in the description or pinned comment, and also like and comment so that more people will get to watch this. Ready? Let's go.
Yes, of course. Let's go. They have a quartet of their own. Whoa.
That's a nice start.
Sit around with my head hanging all the way down, and I wonder.
I feel like I've heard this song before.
Who's loving you? Who's loving you? I should have never. Should have never.
Whoa.
Nice. Oh my goodness.
Come on and take it, girl. Come on and take it, girl. Come over here and take it. Because I love you. Oh, what can I do? I should have never made you cry.
Dude, the way he reaches those high notes.
I wonder who's loving you.
dude. This is good music.
This is a rare, what do you call it? A rare moment nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder who's been loving
Whoa.
you.
Nice.
Whoa.
That is great harmonization.
Whoa. So simple yet so complex. So respectful. Good music.
Very cool.
It was a simpler time.
Cool.
We're actually
Yeah.
all big fans of John's. I must confess, I am the biggest fan. Yes, and the first CD I ever bought was the picture disc of Age of Reason. And John's there with his long locks and leather jacket. And I lost count of the amount of times I got beaten up at school for bringing that out. So I don't think I ever told you that, John.
You never did deserve to be beaten up after that story. It's interesting though, you have a go at me, but I've got a little shock for you guys now. Well, yes, I can do this. You can hate me. All right. Last night when we rehearsed this next song, that last song, pardon? Thank you very much. That's called timing. Last night when we rehearsed this song, you gave me a bit of a shock. I got on a videotape, and you guys didn't know this. Roll the tape, please, guys. Check this out.
Oh no.
No, stay in tune if I can. No, we. Show this.
That looks great.
That was really. What do you think?
There we go.
Okay, here we go. We've got it.
Oh, I
What is
just thought
going on? Why did they drop their pants?
I thought they were. What the heck? What is going on?
That's not us.
Okay.
I thought they were wearing some kind of white pants or something.
They're in their underwear.
Why?
I don't know, but the ladies are thanking them. They're going wild. Okay, that was so unexpected.
Not that respectful.
Yeah, that.
Originally.
It's so funny because you're like,
caught me off guard, dude.
oh man, you were talking about family friendly, innocent.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then
One could
this
say
happens.
you got caught with your pants down after that. Oh
Not
man,
me. Oh boy.
that is funny because we're like, yeah, you know, we don't have these things nowadays. Oh, man, that was a very funny thing. It's so unexpected, so random. Bro, that is... I don't know what to say about that. But by the looks of it, or the sound of it, you know, the ladies were
Maybe
happy
some
with
kind of
that.
joke. Yeah, I think they were. But maybe maybe there's more than just the ladies thing. Maybe that's just an inside joke or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, well, very random. But I think it's the 90s, I would say. 90s comedy. You know.
Yeah, probably.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for this video. Yeah, so what happened was when I was selecting the videos, I didn't read the whole thing. I just kind of like saw the link, opened it, and then I was going to read the comment during the video. So, guys, thank you so much for the support. Please, like, send only one request per coffee so that it doesn't mix things up. Sometimes we get like 2 or 3 requests and then I get a little bit mixed on which link I should you know, react to. So if you guys could send like just one link, that would really be like helpful. Or even like sometimes if you're sending it in different platforms, I get messages on Instagram, I get messages on Discord, so I get a little bit confused. But I hope this was the right video. So thank you so much. And yeah, let's react to more John Farnham, hopefully. Guys, if you have any other artists from Australia that you want us to check out, also, link is in the description. Bro, I did not expect that. I got caught off guard.
Yeah, me neither. Dude, that was crazy.
Okay, guys, we'll
Just
see.
when we were praising
The simple times of, you know.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess, you
When
know,
they come up with
I
this.
guess every generation had their naughtiness.
Yeah, of course.
Of course, yes. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Now you can get full access to exclusive content, special reactions to shows, series, anime, full movies, and even request a video of your choice. Just become a YouTube member or join Buy Me a Coffee today. Find out more, the link is in the description.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right.